Hello everyone friends, you're on the Crypto Pump channel, and today we'll unveil the secrets of earning on Binance using a Web3 wallet and participating in token sales. Get ready for new financial opportunities. In this video, I will explain how the Binance Web3 wallet works, how to set it up correctly, and how to use it for swaps and drops. Additionally, we'll go into detail about how to participate in sales, take loans for profit, and earn from $100 without unnecessary risks. Everything will be step by step, simple and accessible, so if you watch until the end, you'll be able to start earning right away. By the way, if you want to learn more earning schemes and get useful tips on Binance and Web3, subscribe to our Telegram channel. There, you'll find fresh guides, current market news, and a chat for newcomers, where you can ask questions that I'll be happy to answer. The link is in the description. Join us. What is the Web3 wallet on Binance? The Web3 wallet on Binance is a convenient tool for working with decentralized finance directly within the exchange's app. Let's break down what it is and why it's useful, especially if you're just starting out in crypto. You have a regular account on Binance where your tokens are stored, and right next to it is a wallet that gives access to the world of DeFi. It's similar to MetaMask, but everything is in one place. No need to download separate apps. You can quickly switch between your spot account and Web3 to swap tokens or participate in projects. This saves time and simplifies the process. It supports many networks. The wallet works with over 30 blockchains, which means you can use different coins and projects without being tied to one network. For example, you can transfer BNB from the exchange and swap it for other tokens in DeFi, all in just a couple of clicks. For beginners, this is convenient, because you don't have to deal with a bunch of different wallets. Security is top-notch. The wallet is non-custodial, which means your assets are under your control, not the exchanges. The keys are stored using MPC technology. They are split into parts and protected. You don't need to remember a long seed phrase like in other wallets. Just come up with a recovery password, save it, and you'll always have access. This reduces the risk of mistakes and makes the work safer. Now let's move on to the next point: how to create a Web3 wallet. First, register on Binance. If you don't have an account yet, click the link in the description below the video, go to the Binance website, fill out your details, and complete verification, KYC. This is a mandatory step to participate in promotions and sales. Now let's proceed to creating the wallet. Open the app, first switch to the Pro version of Binance, then go to the Assets section, usually at the bottom of the screen. At the top, it says Wallet. Click there, find the Web3 tab, and click the Create button. The process takes a couple of seconds. The system generates your wallet, and it's immediately ready for use. Next, you need to make a backup. After creating the wallet, the app will offer to protect access. Choose the method, for example, iCloud for iPhones or a QR code for other devices. The recovery password is an important step. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe place. If your phone gets lost or breaks, this password will give you access to your wallet. Confirm everything with checkboxes and click Backup. After that, click OK. The backup is ready. As a result, you will have a fully functional Web3 wallet. On the screen, you will see its address, a long string of characters that can be used for transfers. You will have buttons for send, receive, and transfer. These will help you manage your assets. Next, I'll tell you how to top up the wallet. To begin, go to your Web3 wallet. Open the Binance app, go to the Wallet section, switch to the Web3 tab. Your created wallet will already be there. Click Receive. A screen will appear where you can choose a transfer method. The most convenient option is a transfer from the Binance exchange. Select Incoming Transfer. Your spot account will be displayed at the top and the Web3 wallet will be at the bottom. Let's say you need BNB for work. Go to Assets in your spot account, find BNB, specify the amount, and confirm the transfer. In a couple of seconds, the tokens will appear in your Web3 wallet and you will see them in the Assets section. This is quick and has no extra fees within the exchange. If there are no funds on Binance, you can top up from another wallet. For example, if you have BNB on MetaMask or Bybit, copy the address of your Web3 wallet. It's shown on the screen after clicking Receive. Open another wallet, paste the address, choose the amount, and send. Be mindful of the network. For BNB, it's usually BEP20, so the tokens will arrive correctly. After confirming the transaction, the assets will appear in your wallet. Let's move on to earning through swaps and drops, how to profit from them. Earning through swaps and drops in the Web3 wallet on Binance is a simple way to increase your income with minimal effort. Here, you can exchange tokens and participate in exchange promotions. Let's break down how this works and what you need to do to earn from it. The first step is swapping tokens. In the Web3 wallet, there's an exchange function. Go to the Assets section, select the tokens you have, such as BNB, and swap them for others. For example, USDT or Doge. Specify the amount, click Swap, and in a few minutes, the exchange is completed. Next, participating in drops. Binance occasionally launches promotions where you can receive tokens for completing tasks. For example, there's a promotion with a large reward. The task is simple: swap tokens, as I said above. After swapping, you automatically become part of the promotion and have a chance to receive a reward. After swapping, you can withdraw the profit. Once the exchange is completed, transfer the new tokens back to your spot account on Binance. Open the wallet, click Transfer, specify the coin, for example, Doge, which you received, and send it to spot. Then on the exchange, sell those tokens for stablecoins or another currency. This takes a bit of time, but provides clean income without unnecessary complexity. The next way is to participate in sales on Binance. Sales are token sales where you can earn profit by investing your assets. Now all that's left is to wait for the sale to begin. Binance announces new projects in advance, and we keep a close eye on all updates regarding sales in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the video description. Don't miss out. When the timer appears, get ready. You will need BNB to contribute to the pool. The amount depends on the sale conditions, but the main thing is to have it ready. Wait for the timer to finish so you can enter the sale. When the time comes, deposit BNB into the project through the Web3 wallet. After that, wait for the distribution. Usually a few hours later, you will receive new tokens. In the past, I've earned between $100 to $500 from such sales, and it works if you follow the steps. Then, you sell the tokens on the spot and lock in the profit. Next, we move on to the next stage, how to take loans for sales and why are they needed. Why take a loan? If you buy BNB on the market before a sale, the price rises due to demand, and after the sale, it drops. You may end up breaking even or even losing. A loan solves this problem. You take BNB temporarily, use them, and return them without losing money from volatility. Where to take the loan? Open the Binance exchange, click the Binance icon in the upper left corner, and type crypto loan in the search bar. Select BNB as the asset you need, and leave stablecoins, USDT or USDC, as collateral. Stablecoins don't fluctuate in price, so your capital is safe while you work with the loan. How to arrange it? In the loan section, specify the amount. For example, a little more than you need for the sale to cover the fees for deposit and withdrawal. Leave stablecoins as collateral. The amount depends on the exchange's conditions. Confirm the loan, and BNB will appear in your balance. After arranging, check the liquidation price. This is the level at which the loan will be closed if BNB drops too much. But for sales, you only take the loan for a few hours, and the chances of such a drop are minimal. Ensure the collateral is sufficient, and everything will be under control. After that, transfer BNB to your Web3 wallet on Binance and prepare for the sale. Finally, we reach the main point, how to withdraw profits from the sale on Binance without unnecessary risks. After taking the loan, you have BNB. Now open the Binance app and wait for the sale timer to finish. This is when the distribution begins. As soon as the time is up, deposit your BNB into the project pool through the wallet. Then, wait for the distribution of tokens to sell participants. Usually, a few hours after depositing the BNB, the exchange gives you new tokens. This is your share from the sale. The number depends on how much you invested and the total number of participants. Don't worry if you can't sell immediately. In the first few minutes, the system might be slow due to the influx of people. Wait a bit, and soon you'll be able to. Now, sell the tokens. Transfer the coins you received to your spot account on Binance. Open the Web3 wallet, click transfer, specify the tokens, and send them to spot. Then, go to the trading section, find the pair with these coins, and sell them for stablecoins like USDT. This locks in your profit. Repay the loan and take the profit. Send the BNB back to the exchange where you took the loan. Open the loan section, click repay, pay minimal interest for a few hours of use, and return the collateral in stablecoins. Everything left after this. That's your clean profit. This is a loss-free scheme if everything is done step by step. Now, you know how to profit with Binance by using Web3 and growing your assets in the crypto world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Crypto Pump channel. The link to Binance is waiting for you in the description. If you want more unique guides and strategies for earning, join our Telegram channel. The link is there as well. See you soon in the next episodes.